All right, let's start by focusing on what we're asked to calculate, which is the concentration of Cl- ions in the final solution. So what we need to know is that in the final solution, how many moles of chloride ion are there in each liter. So now we know we want to focus on trying to find each of these values, the moles of chloride ion as well as the liters of solution. Now what makes this problem a little bit more difficult is that there are two sources of chloride ion, both from the magnesium chloride and from the iron 3 chloride. So we need to find out how many moles we are released in solution from the magnesium chloride and how many are released from the iron chloride and add them together. Right, we start by writing out the dissociation reaction for each ionic compound. Remember, every ionic compound is soluble, it dissolves in water. When it dissolves in water, it dissociates into ions. All right, so now we've calculated the moles of chloride ion we get from the magnesium chloride and the moles of chloride ion we get from the iron chloride. If you're a little bit fuzzy on how these calculations were determined, go back and look at the first few problem-solving videos of this set. So the total moles of chloride ion are obtained by adding these two values together. So we've added together our moles of chloride ion from each source, and we can put it up here. 0.70 moles of chloride ion. And as far as liters of solution, this needs to be the new volume of solution, which is 500 milliliters or 0.0500 liters plus 250 milliliters, which is 2.50 liters, and 0.750 liters. And we do the math. This comes out to be 0.93333 moles of chloride ion per liter. In terms of sig figs, we're going to be limited to 2, so our final answer is 0.93 moles per liter.